Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see important objective questions and answers from the topic of coronavirus. What is coronavirus? The options are A. It is a bacteria, B. It is a large family of virus, C. It belongs to the nidovirus, D. Both B and C are correct. The right answer, option D, both B and C are correct. Mild symptoms of coronavirus are, the options are A. Cough, B. Breathing trouble, C. Fever, D. All the above. The right answer, option D, all the above. From where coronavirus got its name? The options are A. Due to their leaf-like structure, due to their crown-like structure, due to their surface structure of bricks, D. None of the above. The right answer B. Due to their crown-like structure. When was the first human coronavirus detected? The options are A. 1956, B. 1947, C. 1960, D. 1940. The right answer, option C. 1960. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in, the options are A. London, B. Beijing, C. Wuhan, D. Hong Kong. The right answer, option C. Wuhan. What is genetic material of SARS-CoV-2? The options are A. Single-stranded DNA, B. Double-stranded DNA, C. Single-stranded RNA, D. Double-stranded RNA. The right answer, option C, single-stranded RNA. What is the name of COVID-19 test? The options are A. COVID test, B. ECG, C. EEG, D. RT-PCR. The right answer, option D, RT-PCR. Who declared COVID-19 a pandemic? Options are A. UN, B. UNICEF, C. ADB, D. WHO. The right answer, option D, WHO. Which part of human body is affected by COVID-19? The options are A. Brain, B. Lungs, C. Heart, D. Kidney. The right answer, option B, lungs. The name coronavirus originated from which language? The options are A. Latin, B. English, C. Japanese, D. Chinese. The right answer, option A. Latin. On which date Janata curfew was imposed in India? Options are A. 22 March 2020, B. 14 February 2020, C. 20th March 2020, D. 6 April 2020. The right answer, option A, 22 March 2020. What is the meaning of word corona? The options are A. Deadly disease, B. Down in health, C. Crown, D. Danger. The right answer, option C, crown. When was first case of COVID-19 seen in India? Options are A. 20 January 2020, B. 25 January 2020, C. 30th January 2020, D. 1 February 2020. The right answer, option C, 30 January 2020. What is the incubation period of coronavirus infection? The options are A. 2 to 14 days, B. 1 to 7 days, C. 3 to 21 days, D. 4 to 28 days. The right answer, option A, 2 to 14 days. In which state did the first case of coronavirus found in India? The options are A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Bihar, D. Uttar Pradesh. The right answer, option A, Kerala. Hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are which type of drug? The options are A. Antiviral, B. Antimalarial, C. Antibacterial, D. None of the above. The right answer option B. Antimalarial. In which state of India reported the first death due to COVID-19? The options are A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. The right answer option C. Karnataka. What is the meaning of VI in COVID-19? The options are A. Viral, B. Vital, C. Virus, D. Vibrant. The right answer option C. Virus. Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in which city? The options are A. Chennai, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Delhi. The right answer option B. Mumbai. In which country maximum people died due to COVID-19? The options are A. China, B. America, C. Britain, D. Brazil. The right answer option A. America. In India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? The options are A. December 2020, B. January 2021, C. March 2021. The right answer option C. March 2021. Indian government launches which app for COVID-19 tracker app? The options are A. COVID-19, B. Corona 19, C. Arogya Setu, D. Coronavirus tracker. The right answer option C. Arogya Setu. World first COVID vaccine was registered on. The options are A. July 31st, 2020, B. August 11, 2020, C. November 11, 2020, D. December 23, 2020. The right answer option B. August 11, 2020. The first case of coronavirus identified in which country? The options are A. India, B. Brazil, C. China, D. Italy. The right answer option C. China. In corona, which zone refers as hotspot? The options are A. Red zone, B. Orange zone, C. Green zone, D. Yellow zone. The right answer option A. Red zone. First registered COVID vaccine in the world. The options are A. Sputnik V, B. Moderna vaccine, C. Covaxin vaccine, D. Covishield. The right answer option D. Covishield. How many shots of vaccines required for corona vaccination? The options are A. Single shot, B. 2 shots, C. 3 shots, D. 4 shots. The right answer option B. 2 shots. Who started Operation Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19? The options are A. Indian Navy, B. Indian Army, C. Indian Air Force, D. Indian Coast Guard. The right answer option B. Indian Army. Which is the first state to impose lockdown due to coronavirus? The options are A. Odisha, B. Rajasthan, C. Sikkim, D. Karnataka. The right answer option B. Rajasthan. When WHO officially declared COVID-19 as global pandemic, the options are A. 9 January 2020, B. 28 February 2020, C. 11 March 2020, D. 4 April 2020. Right answer option C. 11 March 2020. Which state became the first corona-free state of India? The options are A. Kerala, B. Goa, C. Rajasthan, D. Haryana. The right answer, option B. Goa. Arogya Setu app launched on. The options are 1st April 2020, B. 2nd April 2020, C. 25 March 2020, D. 12 May 2020. The right answer, option B. 2nd April 2020. When did the Indian Air Force flower shower on corona warriors? The options are A. 20 March 2020, B. 15th April 2020, C. 29 March 2020, D. 3rd May 2020. The right answer, option D. 3rd May 2020. Which state chief minister launched self-declaration COVID-19 app? The options are A. Nagaland, B. Rajasthan, C. Assam, D. Karnataka. The right answer, option A. Nagaland. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? The option A. MERS, option B. SARS, option C. both A and B, option D. none of the above. The right answer, option C. both A and B. How is the coronavirus transmitted? The options A. from pets to people, option B. eating bat soup, option C. from person to person, option D. from birds. The right answer, option A. from pets to people. Ways to prevent the spread of coronavirus includes the option A. stay home, option B. stay away from sick people, option C. follow good hygiene practices, option D. all of the above. The right answer, option D. all of the above. People who show no signs of a given disease. Option A. asymptomatic, option B. unsympathetic, option C. all of the above. The right answer, option A. asymptomatic. The word quarantine comes from. The options are A. the number 40, B. the number 14, C. the term quarantine, D. the fraction quarter. The right answer, option B. the number 40. What is the distance to be maintained to prevent the spread? The options are A. 3 feet, option B. 5 feet, option C. 6 feet, option D. 4 feet. The right answer, option C. 6 feet. How long do you have to wash hands with soap and water? The options are A. 30 seconds, B. 20 seconds, option C. 10 seconds, D. 15 seconds. The right answer, option B. 20 seconds. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest update. Thank you.